finally can say rest in peace to my iPhone 8 Plus, y'all. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you guys. So, I got some exciting news. Finally can say rest in peace to my iPhone 8 Plus, y'all. We getting ready to unbox this iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I am so excited to have you guys. If anybody knows me, I have had this phone for 3 years, and I'm so happy to get rid of it. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love my iPhone 8 Plus, but of course, sometimes you just have to say goodbye. But thankfully, I have an iPhone 12 Pro Max that I'm getting ready to unbox. I hope you guys stay tuned. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. All right, I also have some accessories here that I got from Amazon, but let's go ahead and unbox this iPhone 12 Pro Max. Getting ready to take this thing out of the package. Y'all, I might just cry. It's so beautiful. As you can see, normally iPhone used to have bigger boxes because the actual charger box would be in the boxes. So now I'm pretty sure they just made it a little bit thinner since they don't have the boxes, the adapter boxes already. That's why I went ahead and bought one from Amazon. All right. Now you guys will watch me. Ooh. Voila. I did get the Pacific blue one. Everybody knows blue's my favorite color. So, I mean, why would I not? Let's see. Oh my gosh. Y'all look at my baby. Do you see this color? Like, get into this blue. It's just everything, y'all. Oh my gosh. There it is. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, y'all. All right, let's see. So as I told you guys, they don't have the adapter box in the phones. They don't come with the phones anymore. So the only thing that's in there is the USB-C, which is super fast. That's why I went ahead. This is what the phone looks like. Like I said, USB-C charger box. I just got it from Amazon. You can purchase it from the Apple store as well, but just decided to get all of my goodies from Amazon. I also bought a screen protector for my phone as well, and then a case that I got from Amazon, just a clear case. Probably later on I'll get something with a pattern or some type of marble pattern to go with it, but I really wanted people to see the blue. And also in the box it has this little pamphlet that will also have the Apple sticker on it, and then your SIM card remover tool. Okay, but as far as the size, I do love it. It's very slim, sleek. I like the edges as well. Look at it, so pretty. Okay, And then I just want to compare the sizes to my iPhone 8. So I'm going to take this case off of it. Compare the size to my iPhone 8 Plus. So it's about the same size. I will say that I do believe the new Pro Max is a little bit thicker than the iPhone 8 Plus. But for the most part, same size, a little bit bigger. Of course, the screen is going to be bigger than the iPhone 8 Plus as well, just because the screen goes from top to bottom and it's no home button like this one. All right. Now let's turn her on. Absolutely hate how the fingerprints get on these phones already, but that's okay. We're gonna clean it off because my baby is cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and start setting up my phone. Make sure you turn off your Find My iPhone whenever you are transferring your phone. Okay guys, I just decided to transfer using my iCloud instead of just using kind of like the Bluetooth feature that they have on the phone, because it said it would take about an hour. So versus using the iCloud where it would take only 15 minutes. So we're gonna see how long it's gonna take. Hopefully it'll be 15 minutes, but hopefully it'll be less. But like I said, you guys, I did end up getting this iPhone 12 Pro Max. It was $1,100. I have Verizon, so that's what I'm gonna continue to use. Y'all, it didn't take no time. Took like 5 minutes to just transfer everything from the iCloud. So now my girl is all set up. Let's see. Of course, as soon as you end up transferring everything, make sure you turn back the Find My iPhone feature on your phone, you know, just in case. And some of my apps are still downloading, but that's fine. Of course, the thing that I am most excited about is to use the camera, of course. Especially coming from my iPhone 8 Plus. I mean, I also have face recognition now. Didn't have that before, so that's exciting. I'm going to take a couple of pictures just so I can compare, so I can show you guys the difference between the camera for the iPhone 8 Plus and then the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Thank you guys for joining me while I unbox my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already.